Hi everyone, I am Ripunjay Chachan, co-founder of Wellverse. I come from a very small village in West Bengal. शायद किसी ने नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा. To give you a picture, just imagine 90s era of India, जहाँ पे एक टीवी हुआ करती थी और आसपास के बच्चे आके वहाँ पे हडल करके शक्तिमान और महाभारत देखा करते थे. I am from a very typical Marwari family and every aspect of my childhood actually resonates that. मुझे आज भी याद है वो 20 kilometers की जर्नी थ्रू पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट टू रीच टू सेकेंडरी स्कूल बिकॉज देयर वाज अ लैक ऑफ प्राइमरी एजुकेशन इन माई विलेज. एक्चुअली हेल्प मी बिल्ड रेजिलियंस इन माई सेल्फ एंड प्रिपेयर्ड मी फॉर द ऑनसेट ऑफ लाइफ. आफ्टर माई सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन आई वेंट टू कोटा फॉर द हायर एजुकेशन. आई हैड मेनी एस्पिरेशंस एंड ड्रीम्स इन माई आईज, बट वहाँ पे हज़ारों बच्चे ऐसे थे जिनके सेम ड्रीम्स और सेम एस्पिरेशंस थे. Unfortunately or fortunately, lot of dreams get made and lot of dreams actually doesn't proceed well. I was one of the fortunate ones to actually make it through. I landed in a decent institute called NIT Rourkela. I learned a lot. I made lifelong friends, got some great guidance from the professors and also helped me understand entrepreneurship a bit. Post my NIT Rourkela stint, I joined Stanford Biodesign, get to meet lot of people, network well, and also the passion for my health and wellness actually got reignited in that place. Incidentally, I also met my co-founder Anand as well. Struggles किसी लाइफ में नहीं होते यार, मेरे लाइफ में भी थे. I did some jobs post Stanford Biodesign. I went for an consulting job, product management job. In product management job ये दिमाग में तो हमेशा था ही यार कि जो मेरा पैशन है हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस का वैसे परस्यू करना ही है. मीनवाइल आई वाज कीपिंग टच विद आनंद. जब मैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट जॉब के लिए वापस दिल्ली आया तो उनसे मिला, उनसे बात हुई. ही ऑल्सो शेयर द सेम पैशन. Meanwhile, also he met Aditya in one of the Stanford Biodesign workshop, and that is how we came together to actually make something that is called Wellverse in 2018. एक ब्रांड से स्टार्ट किया था Ketofy. The idea was always to pursue health and wellness वाला passion, not to build a business out of it. Business तो बन ही जाएगा और बन ही रहा है. So the brand was called Ketofy. जब हमने स्टार्ट किया बहुत छोटे से कमरे से स्टार्ट किया था. It was just a 2 BHK सेटअप जहाँ पे एक रूम पे इंसिडेंटली आदित्य रहता था, एक रूम हमने मीटिंग रूम बना दिया था और लिविंग रूम हम यूज़ करते थे हमारे काम के लिए. देयर आर मेनी सन इंसिडेंट्स जहाँ पे हम जाके आदित्य को उठा रहे हैं. आदित्य यूज्ड टू वेक अप एंड इफ़ वी आर स्टार्टिंग अर्ली ऑफ कोर्स एंड आदित्य वाज जस्ट सेटिंग अप हिज मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स while we are working in the living room. It was funny yet actually that helped us build something which matters in life. 2020 में you all know happened and the is something जहाँ लोग और हम लोग कोई prepared नहीं थे. We knew कि अगर ये लॉकडाउन हो जाता है it would be very difficult for us to survive. I still remember the day जब अब ये complete lockdown है. We were in the office figuring out logistical challenges with my team. एक सिटी बाई सिटी बंद हो रही थी तो वी आर रिसीविंग लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर्स. दे वांट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स बट वी कुड नॉट डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट्स. इट वाज अ वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग सिचुएशन फॉर एवरीवन इन द इंडस्ट्री, नॉट अस, एवरीवन. सो उसी रात को हमने डिसाइड किया, एक मीटिंग बुलाई की एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड द टीम मेंबर्स के साथ. वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी विल बी इन द ऑफिस फॉर द नेक्स्ट लॉकडाउन टिल इट एंड्स. एंड वी डिसाइडेड सारा राशन हमने वहीं पे स्टोर कर लिया, सारे रॉ मटेरियल्स उसी दिन हमने वहाँ पे स्टोर कर लिया. The idea was to make sure that we continue to deliver the products to the consumers. It was a team bonding got super intricate. We made sure products बन के उनके पास deliver हो. We made sure we get the government compliances and the passes that were required to deliver those products, and we fortunately got those passes as well. So at Wellverse we follow 3P principle. P0 is customer experience, P1 is supply and raw material, which is the most important aspect where you are trying to build a consumer facing brand. You can build a brand, you can ship out a product, but अगर दोबारा नहीं खरीद रहा कस्टमर, then it's a complete waste. You won't be able to optimize CAC any day. The idea is to work with lot of vendor networks. Actually, when you are starting out, लोगों को ये confusion होता है कि हम अपने products बनाएं या 3P manufacturing के साथ setup करें. हमने जब स्टार्ट किया था तो हमने एक छोटी फॉर्मुलेशन लैब ली थी अपने फ्लैट के बगल में, विच हेल्प्ड अस स्केल. बट अभी तो इतनी अवेयरनेस है, यू कैन ऑलवेज वर्क विथ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स आउट देयर जो कि आपके बिजनेस के साथ आपको स्केल करने में हेल्प कर सकता है. द MOQs ऑलवेज विल बी अ चैलेंज, बट आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ अवेयरनेस अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एज वेल, सिंस दे आर ऑल्सो अवेयर इफ द बिजनेस विल ग्रो दे विल ऑल्सो बेनिफिट. दे वर्क विथ comfortable MOQs which they are invested in. They can always work with your ethics and views that can help you scale from 0 to 1 to 10. And P2 is obviously about catering to the demand. So we make sure at Wellverse the product that we ship to the consumer is of the utmost quality. बाकी सब चीज़ secondary है, primary and making sure that customer experience and the product is of world class quality. It is always a challenge to understand जो भी services या products वो launch कर रहे हैं, what should be the product like. So at Wellverse how we do it, we basically do a lot of market analytics to understand कि कहाँ पे gray spaces, gray areas या white spaces है. If you understand that, it will be actually something that you can create. The point being, the customer should be able to resonate with the product. There are a lot of entrepreneurs I see, a lot of brands actually what I see, they come up with products, but वो actual customer need नहीं satisfy करती. So once you understand from the market analytics कि आपको क्या white spaces मिले हैं, then we use a network of R&Ds and food techs which we have indigenously built to understand and put deeper thought into it and make the formulations around it. The formulation take a lot of time. Consumer is the king while building a brand. We work with lot of consumers before a commercial launch of a product. You need to understand the consumer's persona before actually making sure that you churn out a product from your R&D or food tech team or even the contract manufacturing. If you don't understand your user persona, you would not end up being a successful brand because the brand is all about consumers, not about what you are trying to achieve. They don't care about the input you are giving, how much input have you given in R&D, what product you have selected, what the market looks like. They only care about the outcome, कि उसे पसंद आया या नहीं आया. Before the commercial version of it, we ship the products to across at least 100 consumers who can taste the products, give actual feedback to you and reiterate it before making a commercial version of that product. If you are trying to build a great brand, you will definitely need to build a great team. At Wellverse, we focus on the core personality traits of a person such as work ethic, learnability, coachability, self-awareness. We believe that technical attributes can always be taught, but personality traits could not be changed easily. It is not necessary that you consider a person's experience and the college before hiring that person. More important is to make sure that the values and the ethics remain intact because you are here for long term. The idea will always be to build a great brand with great people. At Wellverse, we started with a very small few set of people, and I am fortunate enough to say that some of these people still resonate with the same values that we work with. Entrepreneurship is all about highs and lows. There are some times जहाँ आपको लगेगा कि यार ये business model तो फाड़ देगा और कुछ time पे आपको लगेगा यार बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहा है ये model. So we'll always have to go to a mentor or a counsel of person whom you can rely on in your lows and highs. You might be able to call them. They should be on your speed dial. In fact, you should be able to call them and share your conundrums, thoughts with them, and they should be able to advise you, be it personal or professional, making sure that you would be able to come out stronger from that, because next day would always be about carrying on that journey of entrepreneurship.